बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्वीपीडिया में खुश आमदीद। पंजाब पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन पास्ट पेपर्स और आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे PMS 2020 2020 जनरल नॉलेज का पेपर। जनरल नॉलेज के इस पेपर के MCQs CSS, PMS, NTS, FPSC, लेक्चरशिप, IB, वन पेपर MCQs, जुडिशरी और दीगर कई इम्तहानात की तैयारी में इंतहाई अहम तरीन MCQs हैं। इनको अच्छे तरीके से तैयार करें। ताज़ा तरीन वीडियो से बाखबर रहने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें और नोटिफिकेशन के बटन को दबा दें। शुक्रिया। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, The Shandur Pass connects चित्राल with। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है A, गिलगित। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, कराकोरम हाईवे बिटवीन पाकिस्तान एंड चाइना वाज कंप्लीटेड इन। इसमें करेक्ट ऑप्शन है D, 1978। कराकोरम हाईवे 1979 में कंप्लीट हुई थी, लेकिन ऑप्शन में 1979 मौजूद नहीं है, इसलिए हम 1978 को टिक कर रहे हैं। टॉम्ब ऑफ ख्वाजा फरीद इज इन। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है A, कोट मिठन। नांगा पर्वत इज द हाईएस्ट पीक ऑफ। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है A, हिमालयन। रिवर काबुल जॉइंस इंडस रिवर नियर। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है C, अटक। द चेयरमैन ऑफ नेशनल इकोनॉमिक काउंसिल इज। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है B, प्राइम मिनिस्टर। हु वॉज द फर्स्ट मुस्लिम गवर्नर ऑफ पंजाब। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है A, सरदार अब्दुल रब निश्तर। Objectives resolution was presented in the Constituent Assembly on। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है 12 मार्च 1949। The only Vice President of Pakistan was। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है A, नूरुल अमीन। What is the minimum age of senator under 1973 Constitution? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है 30 years. Term of the Office of Election Commissioner of Pakistan. Correct option है C, 5 years. On the advice of Prime Minister and Chief Minister, President and Governor are bound to dissolve the assemblies within. Correct option है B, 48 hours. The only Muslim woman who attended round table conference was। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है बेगम जहां आरा शाहनवाज। The British sold the Kashmir to Gulab Singh Dogra under the Treaty of। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है A, Treaty of अमृतसर। डॉक्टर अब्दुल सलाम, फर्स्ट नोबेल प्राइज recipient of Pakistan, got his PhD degree from which university? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कैम्ब्रिज। हब्बा खातून is famous poetess of which language? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है D, कश्मीरी। Renowned Urdu writer मुश्ताक अहमद यूसुफी by profession was। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है C, बैंकर। लोवारी पास कनेक्ट्स। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है A, दीर विद चित्राल। डॉक्टर रुथ फाउ, द मदर टेरेसा ऑफ पाकिस्तान, कैंपेन्ड अगेंस्ट विच डिजीज? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है B, लेप्रोसी। द UN General Assembly has declared the decade 2021 to 2030 as। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है The Decade on Ecosystem Restoration. Identify the most benefited sector of Pakistan because of GPS Plus duty-free access to European Union. Correct option है C, textile and garments sector. The title of Ambassador of Hindu-Muslim Unity was given to Quaid-e-Azam by. Correct option has C. Sarojini Naidu. The Quaid-e-Azam resigned from the membership of Imperial Legislative Council on account of. Correct option है B. Rowlatt Act. Wealth of Nations was written by. Correct option है Adam Smith. Statue of Liberty was given to USA by. Correct option है D. France. Watergate scandal is related to. Correct option है spying. The Article 3 of Sustainable Development Goals relates. Correct option है A. Health. The Treaty of Versailles settled peace in. Correct option है Europe. International Monetary Fund IMF was created after. Correct option है D. Bretton Woods Conference. China have claim on part of Indian province of. Correct option है Arunachal Pradesh. The political term shadow cabinet stands for. Correct option है a group of specialized critics in the official opposition party. Deal of the century presented by the US President Donald Trump relates to. Correct option है D. Palestine issue. The lengthiest written constitution of the world is. Correct option है Indian Constitution. The word Rex stands for. Correct option है the king. Ho Chi Minh was. Correct option है leader of Vietnam. Continental Shelf limits of Pakistan is. Correct option है 350 nautical miles. Soviet Union was replaced by Russian Federation in. Correct option है December 1991. Settlement of border dispute and signing of boundary agreement with China proved a milestone in the history of Sino-Pak relations. Which of the following diplomats rendered the services to finalize the agreement? Correct option है C. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Kyoto Protocol came into existence in. Correct option है 2005. Pakistan installed the first nuclear power station in Karachi with the cooperation of. Correct option है C. Canada. The Quran and Sunnah are declared the supreme law of Pakistan under the amendment. Correct option है 9th. कपास का फूल is written by. Correct option है अहमद नदीम कासमी. Hugo Chavez was the leader of. Correct option है Venezuela. The Bolshevik revolution was took place in. Correct option है 1917. Jahangir Khan won the squash championship for 10 times. Correct option है British Open. In 2018, German Chancellor Angela Merkel was sworn in for. Correct option है 4th time. The World Water Day is celebrated every year on. Correct option है March 22. The India's current president is. Correct option है Ram Nath Kovind. Who was Pakistan's first ambassador to US? Correct option है Abu al Hassan Isfahani. Jabir bin Hayan is famous for his work on. Correct option है chemistry. The Pakistani scientist who worked under Albert Einstein. Correct option है Mohammad Raziuddin Siddiqui. India represent what percent of South Asia's population? Correct option है 70%. When was sui gas first discovered in Pakistan? Correct option है 1952. Ocean covers how much of Earth's surface? Correct option है 70%. How many members are there in the Security Council? Correct option है 15. SAPTA is a trade agreement by. Correct option है SAARC nations. What is the brightest planet in the solar system? Correct option है D. Venus. What is the total length of coastline of Pakistan? Correct option है 1046 kilometer. Dome of Rock is located in. Correct option है Jerusalem. How many countries are members of SAARC? Correct option है 8 countries. How many official working languages are recognized by UNO? Correct option है 6. The second largest desert of the world is. Correct option है Arabian. Which of the following country has no boundary with Syria? Correct option है Iran. Sindh was separated from Bombay in. Correct option है 1935. Vasco da Gama was the native of. Correct option है Portugal. The largest earth-filled dam of the world is. Correct option है Tarbela. Arab Spring movement in Middle East started from which country? Correct option है Tunis. Timbuktu is a famous city of. Correct option है Mali. Three Gorges Dam is located in. Correct option है China. Approximately what fraction of the human genome encodes proteins? Correct option है 2%. In the plant cells, which reaction occur in the stroma of the chloroplast? Correct option है Calvin cycle. Stimulus intensity is detected in brain by. Correct option है the number of action potentials per second. Cirrhosis is a disease that affects which organ among the following? Correct option है liver. According to science, the earth is dash years old. Correct option है 4.5 billions. Dash makes up 14 to 17% of the skeleton. Correct option है D. Phosphate. The vitamin that controls the browning in the fruits by the help of enzymes. Correct option है vitamin C. The energy value of fats and oils is dash times more than carbohydrates and proteins. Correct option है 2.25. The milk needs to be heated for complete pasteurization at 101 degree Fahrenheit for dash seconds. Correct option है 15 seconds. Vitamin that is produced in body and is not found in fruits and vegetables. Correct option है vitamin B12. Coniferous forests have low biodiversity than. Correct option है tropical rainforest. Rocks that contains fossils are. Correct option है sedimentary rocks. Depletion of the ozone layer is caused due to. Correct option है freon. Deforestation at large scale can be observed at. Correct option है Amazon forests. Which of the following can be recycled many times? Correct option है aluminium. Blank DVDs on which data can be erased and rewritten are identified as. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है DVD और W. Who gave the idea to combine the internet with the hypertext concept? Correct option है Tim Berners-Lee. The first mechanical calculating machine was invented by. Correct option है Blaise Pascal. There are two different ways to insert content from one application into another, that is embedding and correct option है linking. What is the name for a web page address? Select from following. Correct option है URL. The function is a dash which can calculate the values given in a specific order. Correct option है predefined formula. Average age of A and B is 30 years, that of B and C is 32 years, and the average age of C and A is 34 years. The age of C is dash. इसका correct answer है 36 years. Complete the sequence 6, 11, dash 27. Correct option है C 18. In an examination, 1100 boys and 900 girls appeared. 50% of the boys and 40% of the girls passed. The fail percentage is. Correct answer है 54.5%. Consider the word segregation. Choose the word given below that reveals the opposite meaning. Correct option है integration. The square of standard deviation is called. Correct option है variance. After the United States, the largest number of Nobel laureates are from. Correct option है United Kingdom. Operation Zarb-e-Azab underwent in the former FATA. Azab was the name of. Correct option है Sword of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Study of life in outer space is known as. Correct option है exobiology. Which of the following studies the interactions among organisms and their environment? Correct option है ecology. Wakhan corridor is located to the dash of Pakistan. Correct option है north of Pakistan.